Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how does Credit Builder card work in Chime. To get started, you first need a Chime checking account and a qualifying direct deposit of at least $200. After that, just open the Chime app, go to Settings, and tap Try Credit Builder. Once you're approved, you'll move money into your secured account from your debit account. This amount becomes your available spending balance, so you can't spend more than what you've added, helping you stay in control. After adding funds, you can start making purchases anywhere Visa is accepted using your Chime Credit Builder card. Each purchase deducts from the amount you moved into your secured account. If you want an easier experience, you can enable the Safer Credit Building feature. When it's turned on, the money you've set aside automatically pays your balance on time every month. Since payment history is an important part of your credit score, paying on time helps you build credit responsibly. You can turn this feature on anytime through your account settings. Chime reports helpful information to the credit bureaus to support your credit growth. They report your on-time payments, account age, current balance, and any past due amounts. Since there's no preset credit limit, Chime does not report credit limits or card utilization. That means even if you use your full available balance, it won't show up as high utilization on your credit report. This can make it easier to maintain a healthier credit profile while you build history. It's also normal to have a current balance, and with safer credit building on, Chime can help ensure it's paid automatically. Building credit takes time, so think of it as a long-term habit rather than a quick fix. Using your card regularly for everyday purchases and making payments on time can help improve your credit over time. Many members have reported an average credit score increase of up to 30 points. If you're looking for a simple, no-interest way to build your credit, consider applying for Chime Credit Builder and start creating positive credit history. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can use and pay your Chime Secured Credit Builder card. So let's get started. First, make sure you have a Chime checking account and a qualifying direct deposit of at least $200. This makes you eligible for the Credit Builder card. After that, open your Chime app, go to Settings, and tap on Try Credit Builder to apply. Then, your Chime Credit Builder card will arrive in 7 to 10 business days. And then, once you receive it, go back to Settings in the app and activate your card. After activation, you can start using it for everyday purchases like coffee, groceries, or gas. Each time you pay on time, it helps improve your credit score. Most users see their FICO score increase by around 30 points on average. The best part is there are no interest charges, no annual fees, and no credit checks required. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can fix your Chime card if it's not working. If your Chime card is not accepting transactions, don't worry, there are a few simple steps you can try. First, make sure your card is activated. Many people forget that they must activate their card in the Chime mobile app after receiving it. Open the latest version of the Chime app, sign in, and look for the message that shows your card has been delivered. You'll see the delivery date and an Activate button. Tap on it and follow the on-screen steps to complete activation. Once confirmed, your card should be ready to use for online and in-store purchases. Next, check your card settings. In the app, go to your card section and open Card Settings. Under the debit card options, look for Allow Transactions. This must be turned on. If it's disabled, your card won't work. If you're traveling outside your country, make sure international transactions are also enabled so your card can be used internationally. After that, make sure you have enough balance in your account. Just go back to the home screen and look at your available funds. If needed, add money to continue using your card. If you've activated your card, allowed transactions, and have enough balance, but it's still not working, the best option is to contact Chime customer support. They can help troubleshoot your specific issue and guide you on what to do next. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can sign up for a Chime account. So let's get started. To begin, open the Chime sign up page. On the first page, enter your email address and tap Get Started. Next, type your legal first and last name and continue. Then enter your date of birth. Remember, you must be at least 18 years old to open a Chime spending account. After that, enter your phone number for two-factor authentication, which helps keep your account secure. Then type your home address, make sure it is accurate because your Chime Visa debit card will be mailed to this address. Now create a strong password and continue. Next, you'll be asked to provide your social security number, which is required by federal law. After entering it, Chime will ask a few short questions, such as your income and employment details. You'll then see a few policy agreements, check the boxes, and submit your application. If your application is approved, you'll see a welcome message. You can now download the Chime app to complete your account setup. Once the app is installed, tap Login and enter the same email and password you just created. Chime will send a verification code to your phone. Enter that code, then create a mobile passcode. Your account will now finish loading, and you'll see your digital Chime debit card is ready to use immediately through Apple Pay or Google Pay. This means you can start spending even before your physical debit card arrives. You'll also see deposit options like direct deposit, transfer from another bank, cash deposits, or checks. You can set these up right away or skip them for later. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can check your deposits on Chime, so let's get started. First, open the Chime app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the main screen, from here open your spending account. You'll find this listed along with your other accounts. Inside the spending account, look near the Check Deposit section. If the deposit is completed, you'll see it highlighted in green, meaning the money has successfully been added to your account. However, if the status is still gray, that means the deposit is still pending and hasn't been fully processed yet. Another easy way to check is by opening your transaction history. Go to View Transactions, and there you'll be able to see whether your deposit is marked as completed or pending. That's all you need to do to confirm your pending deposits in Chime. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can activate your Chime card, so let's get started. First, log into your Chime account and head over to the main dashboard, and then from here tap on the Card Status section. From there, simply select Activate to enable your Chime Visa debit card. Once activated, you can start using it instantly. If your physical card hasn't arrived yet, you can still make online purchases using your temporary digital card. To access it, go to Settings, scroll down, and tap View Your Card. Here you'll find your temporary card details that you can use for online transactions. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can install your Ring Chime or Chime Pro step by step, so let's get started. First, open the Ring app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're in, tap Set up a device from the dashboard. Then select Chimes or Chime Pro as the device type. Choose the location where you want the chime to be used or add a new location. After that, tap I'm ready to scan the QR code on the Chime device. If the scan fails, choose Other Options and enter the PIN manually. The app will ask for location permissions, allow them. Next, you'll plug the chime into a wall outlet. If the light doesn't start flashing, press and hold the button on the side of the device for about 5 seconds until it does. Now the app will ask you to join the Ring Wi-Fi network, and then select your home Wi-Fi and enter its password. After the device connects, you'll be prompted to give the chime a name. Tap Continue to finish setup. If you're using the Chime Pro and want it to act as a Wi-Fi extender, follow the additional prompts to connect your Ring devices to the Chime Pro network. Once everything is connected and configured, your chime is ready. You'll hear alerts from your Ring doorbells through it, and, if applicable, benefit from extended Wi-Fi coverage. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can view your Chime card number, so let's get started. First, open the Chime app on your phone and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look at the top left corner and tap on the gear icon to open your settings. Now scroll down until you find the debit card section. Here, tap on View Your Card. You'll now be able to see all your card information, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV. You can use these details whenever you need to make purchases online. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can transfer money from Chime to Cash App. So let's get started. First, open the Cash app on your phone, and once you're on the home screen, tap the bank icon in the bottom left corner. After that, at the top of the screen, you'll see your cash balance. Tap on Add Cash. Then, choose the amount you want to add to your Cash App account. If you don't see your preferred amount listed, tap the three dots to enter a custom amount. For example, if you want to add $15, simply type it in and tap Add. And then, Cash App will ask you to add a bank using your debit card, and this is where you'll enter your Chime debit card details. Once you've entered the information, tap Link Card, and your Chime card will be connected to Cash App instantly. After that, the money will transfer from your Chime account to your Cash App balance right away. And that's it. Now you know how to easily transfer money from Chime to Cash App in just a few simple steps. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can use Chime with Klarna, so let's get started. First, open the Klarna app and make sure you're logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, tap the U tab, then go into Settings. Now scroll down and select Payment Methods. Here, tap Add a Card and enter your Chime card details, whether it's a Visa debit card or a Credit Builder card. Once you've added your card, you can try using it for payments through Klarna. Keep in mind that this doesn't work for everyone. Sometimes Chime cards are accepted, and other times they're not. It depends on your region and card type. Some users have success using the Chime Credit Builder card as well, but results vary, so it's worth trying to see if it works for you. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can transfer money to your Chime account fast. So let's get started. First, open the Chime app on your phone and go to the Move Money tab. After that, tap on Transfer from Other Banks. This section allows you to add money from an external account by linking your other bank directly with Chime. Then, tap on Link your external account. And then, Chime will open Plaid, which is a secure and trusted service used to connect your bank safely. Tap Continue and select the bank you want to transfer money from. If you don't see it in the list, just type the name of your bank in the search bar. Once you find it, sign in using your bank's username and password and tap Submit. You may be asked to verify your identity, so follow the on-screen prompts. After your account is successfully linked, tap Continue. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer, review the details carefully, and tap Confirm Transfer. The transaction will start processing, and the funds will usually appear in your Chime account within a few business days. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can send money on Chime to anyone. So let's get started. Simply open the Chime app on your phone and tap the Pay Anyone option at the bottom of the screen. If the person you want to send money to is already on Chime, just search for them by typing their name or Chime username. If they're not a Chime member, no problem, just enter their email address or phone number. After selecting the recipient, type in the amount you want to send. You can also include a short message, emoji, or even a fun GIF to make it more personal. Once you're ready, tap Pay to send the money instantly. If your friend is on Chime, they'll receive the payment right away. And even if they aren't, they can still get their funds instantly just by entering their debit card details. It's fast, simple, and works for almost anyone. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can get a voided check from Chime, so let's get started. First, open the Chime app on your phone and sign into your account. After you're logged in, go to the Settings or Account Information section, which you can usually access by tapping the gear icon. Now scroll down and look for the option that lets you request a voided check. Once you find it, tap on it and simply follow the instructions shown on your screen. Chime will then process your request, and it may take some time depending on your account. After it's ready, Chime will provide your voided check either directly in the app or as a downloadable PDF. If you receive a PDF, you can save it or print it. When you have the check, write the word void in big bold letters across the front to make sure it can't be used for payments. You can also write void in other small areas like the date line, pay line, amount box, signature line, and amount field to fully mark it as voided. Now your Chime voided check is ready to use for things like direct deposit setup, automatic bill payments, or any other financial task that requires a voided check. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can contact Chime customer support on your Android device. To get started, simply open any web browser on your phone and go to chime.com. Once the website loads, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. In the footer section, you'll find different categories like benefits, company, and resources. Under these options, look for the Contact Us section. Here, you'll see a phone number you can use to reach Chime support directly. Go ahead and call that number, and once connected, let them know you'd like to speak with a customer support representative. They will then route your call to the right team member who can help you with your issue. The best part is that Chime customer support is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, which means you can reach out anytime without worrying about specific hours. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe. Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can schedule a meeting in Amazon Chime, so let's get started. First, open the Amazon Chime app and make sure you're signed in. On the home screen, you'll see different options here. Tap on Schedule. After that, tap Schedule again. Now Amazon Chime will ask how you want to complete the scheduling, so choose Calendar. Next, your calendar window will open. Here, type your meeting title, then select your date and time. You can also add a location or paste meeting notes if needed. After that, you can add participants to invite your team or clients. Once you finish, tap Save. This will add the meeting to your calendar and send the invitation automatically. When it's time for the meeting, just open the calendar and click the link to join. And that's it. That's how you quickly schedule a meeting in Amazon Chime. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.